Hi, everybody. My name is Jeff. I'm a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a really quick deep dive look at the Formula Remote Control so we can all be on the same page. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's Jeff again. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Whether you're on the YouTube platform or maybe on our other platforms like Rumble or Odyssey, we are so appreciative of everyone taking a look, maybe a deeper look at what some of the Formula devices can do for your entertainment needs. We're going to dump. I hope we're not dumping. Anyway, we're going to jump right into a quick deep dive look at the remote control functions on the Formular devices. Today you're looking at my Formular GTV. This is my box that I use all the time, and it's the only Formular device that comes with the standard Bluetooth remote. It's the only one that you get absolutely free. But you can get a Bluetooth remote for any of the formulas, and they will connect using the application that they named remote control. So it's not a secret. So let's jump right in at a couple of functions. And what I've done is I'm going to take a big picture of the next section of the remote control, and I will use it to point out different functionalities so we can all be on the same page, because I get a lot of different customers or new customers ask basic questions on how to the function or how to use the remote control. So let's take a all right, to get started, this is the application, Formula Remote. Told you they were geniuses. It makes a silly person like myself know how to use that. But this is the application. I'm going to click on it. Now you have three choices. They got the legacy ones. Those work really well, but those are not part of this package. Then you got the GTV slash or dash IR1 that comes with every other device other than this one, the GTV-BT1, Bluetooth 1. This is the only one that you can buy it separately, or it comes with the GTV. I'm going to click on it, and this is the picture. I mean, if you take a look at this picture, because I'm going to take a picture of it right now. Boom, a screenshot. If you take a look at this picture, it is very clear on what the remote does. It says it's customizable GTV remote control. Activities lets you control multiple devices as one. You can see my remote is connected. I am on the current firmware. It gives me my battery life, and it tells me my TV, because it controls. You could set up your TV IR control and volume control. I'm on a Samsung. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that, and we're going to go through some of the functions right now. So let's take a look at that right here, right now. Okay guys, I'm back. So basically the menu, let's go over the menu button. Should have a picture of the menu. When you choose the menu button, it will bring up some different options on the left hand side. That way, if you have any on-demand content, if you want to go into the settings, if you want to schedule a recording, that's what that button does. And that's the three horizontal lines on the right hand side. Let's take a look at the home button. Now this is always when you're on a different app. Let me go here. Let's say I open up Pluto. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Pluto. And this is a free application. So let's say I open this up. And once it's open, I just want to go back to the home button. All I'm going to do is press the home button there, and it'll take you back to the home page. Okay, so that's what that button does right there in the center. Also, if you double click this button, 1, 2, it'll show you how many actual applications are open. And one of the things we've learned in streaming, that if you have a lot of applications open, running in the background, it could hinder the performance of the stream. Now, to get rid of them, you just hit the red button on your remote, and it'll clear everything out. So again, if I hit the button twice, there's really no recent items. You'll see I hit the button twice, the home button twice, there's no recent items. Of course, let's look at a picture again, the volume button. It's right there on the left hand side. If I push up, you'll see the volume go up. If I push down, you'll see the volume go down. Okay. Another good one is, let's say you want to hit the record button. That would be on the bottom right hand corner of the remote. And that is good when you're in the your live TV. You can record your live TV shows, and we've made videos about that, so we don't need to go into that. The next thing is the channel up and channel down. Let's say you are in live TV. If you push up on the channel up, it'll change to channel up, and respectively, if you hit the channel down, it'll go down. Now you'll notice that there's some different color coded buttons: the red, the green, the yellow, the blue. These are called hotkeys. So I'm going to circle those with the picture, but I'm going to show you what that is. When you go over to, let's see, the Formula Remote app again, okay, and I open that up and I choose the GTV. For this app, I choose which remote I have, and for the Formula GTV, I have the GTV Bluetooth BT1. I'll press OK, and you'll see the hotkeys, set up hotkeys. When I click on that, you can program the keys to open up different things. Okay, so if I have the blue, that would start my Discovery Plus. If I have yellow, it'll start Aerial Dream. The green starts ESPN, and the red starts Analytics. So I see those colors. Let me hit the home button for you. It'll take me to the home page. And let's say I hit red. Red, this is the speed test. That's Analytics. So if I just program that, it's going to run the speed test and give me the speed test. So you'll see that it's running the speed test. I am on a VPN and it's working. So let's say I hit blue, and blue is Discovery Plus. Now I have an account with Discovery Plus until it runs out, because Discovery Plus, I think, bought HBO Max. So I'm going to have to probably buy the Max subscription, because Discovery Plus doesn't just, I think they're going to merge those here, or they have already done it. So that's what we're talking about when we're talking about hotkeys. Those are the hotkeys or programmable keys that make the experience with the formula what it is. It's your experience, it's how you set it up, and you can get the most out of it. After that, you got the OK button and all of that. One of the biggest things about this device, and I'll end on this, is the Google Assistant. And when you hit this key here, it should pull up Google. And I don't know what it did there. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So because I have a Bluetooth remote on this and I use my voice, that's what that's for. I can open up YouTube with my voice, or any application that is downloaded on this box with this BT1 remote. All right. I hope this video was helpful. It was cool making it. I'll put it all together so it runs good. Hey, I appreciate everyone taking the time to watch this. But more importantly, take a look at it. If you have one of these Formula devices, it'll work the same way with the other remote controls. But I am on the Formula GTV. Secondly, if you really, really want the best boxes that we have, just follow the prompts. And if you're interested, we do have special deals. And I appreciate every new customer that received over 25 boxes over the last 2 days. I should say last week, I should say. And they're getting started and set up. So if you're ready to, get rid of your expensive entertainment bill, streaming on your own is the best way to go. I do have paid services, but having your own box puts you in control and not someone in control of you. If you're interested in learning more, I want you to text the word now, NOW, to 760 795 9480. I'll put the number up there. Follow the prompts in the text. You'll get a video. And if you like to get the discount code that we offer, watch the video and contact us through text. We look forward to serving you and just letting you know how to stream. All of our boxes come with a one-time 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose. If it doesn't work for you within 30 days, you can return it for a full refund. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one.